Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch video on YouTube and open other apps. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Picture-in-picture PIB is turning a video into a small player so you can keep watching while using other apps on your mobile device. You can move the small player around your device home and screen and position it over other apps. So you can use this PIP picture-in-picture on your phone to watch your YouTube video and also play the running the other apps. So how to use it? It's so simple. So first we can open our YouTube. Now you can just open like this of the recent app. You can just tap and hold on the app, on the YouTube app. Now there's an option to split their screen. You can just tap on that. So now you have opened two apps. Maybe for example, I want to open Threads 2 while watching this video on YouTube like this. So I can watch video from YouTube while scrolling on Threads. So simple, right? So that is how to watch video on YouTube while scrolling on other apps. So simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.